National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hendrick County, northwestern Morgan County, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Eminence, or 22 miles north of Bloomington, and moving north at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Little Point around 7:15 p.m. Eastern